Hello students, these are the next two exercises of chapter number 11 double consonants PL series, exercise number 63 and 64. Let's start with exercise number 63 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. In the belief that you will wish to stop at a simple but pleasant hotel, we have sent to you today a copy of our recently issued booklet. The total charge for a couple per week is only 10 guineas. This rate includes a double room. Single rooms are 5 guineas and up. Our fare is simple but good. People tell us that our table is first class. They say, indeed, that it has no equal. We doubt that it is unequaled, but we do know that we use only the best foods and that our charges are quite reasonable. We make no charge at all for golf or swimming. Next is exercise number 64 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. We enclose a booklet which gives details of our plate glass window insurance. When you renew your insurance, we believe it will pay you to take out this type of policy. You will note that we are able to give you especially useful service. As soon as we receive your claim, we replace the glass. Your claim is settled without delay, and a check large enough to pay for all the damage, including any damage to your window display, is sent to you. So these are the next two exercises of chapter number 11 डबल कॉन्सोनेंट पीएल सीरीज. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, subscribe the channel.